Today, I'm going to show you how to do a really simple project. It's our Scotsman Co. serving tray. Pretty simple build. So the first step is getting your wood prepped. We try to use all old wood flooring that's been in bad shape. This came off of a porch. As you can see, it's got some damaged spots, but that just gives it a little bit of character. We do need to cut the tongue and groove off some of these. Anytime you're working around power tools, it's nice to take off things like this, because if the blade was to catch your finger, it would mangle the heck out of it, but if it was to catch your ring, it would do a lot worse. So now we've got all four sides. It usually takes 4 pieces to make the bottom. As we lay these out, we're 1 1/16 inches too wide, and we rip it off of the tongue side of this board and the groove side of this board. Dry fit it all together, and then we glue it up, and then I'll just brad nail it together. But if you don't have a brad nailer, you can use clamps, and if you don't have clamps, you can use duct tape. Then you want to sand your edges around so it doesn't cut anybody and there's no splinters. 2 or 3 coats of poly, and then it's ready to serve sweet tea.